Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be trying something new, something fun. So I found these Kiss Salon Acrylic Natural Long nails from Walmart for under $5. They were $4.97. They say Salon Acrylic Natural. They say they are sculpted. It says Flexi Fit Technology, ultra flexible, flawless fit, no bubbles. You get 28 nails. You get glue, which we're not going to be using. It says long. We'll see. So you're pretty much going to do what you would normally do for like Après or any of those clear jelly nails, Enail Couture, you know, the ones I wear all the time. Okay. So this is what it looks like. You got your little precision glue thing here. It says Kiss Pink Gel Nail Glue. They're ABS plastic. As you can see, they do have that milky sheen to them. That's the difference between like the ABS plastic versus some of the better acrylic nails out there. These are not crystal clear, so it's not a big deal though. They will work. We get a cuticle pusher and a little file. This is the 0 and it is bigger than my thumbnail, just under 1.5 centimeters. And that is the biggest nail. Go ahead and measure your tips to your natural nail plates. So what you're gonna do is make sure it fits from one side wall to the other side wall without pressing down. It does have room on the inside to put gel or acrylic or glue. I will say the one thing I don't like about them already is they don't have a number, so I can't go through and grab my other hand. Once you have all your nails picked out, go ahead and push back your cuticles. I'm gonna get the rest of that cuticle off. If you're gonna use one of these, guys, you need to be very careful. Now I am going to take my new Melody Susie Adina, I think it's Adina e-file, the diamond cuticle bit that came with this e-file. Make sure it's locked and turn it on. Put it on low speed. I'm going to clean up around my side walls, around the cuticle area. And buff the surface shine. Turn it the other way and do this side. Literally just buff off around the cuticle. Now, if you bend these, you will get that white line, so I'm not going to bend them. Just buffing them just like that. Once you have your nails done, go ahead and wipe those off. Once you have the tips buffed and ready, go ahead and clean them from any filing. I'm going to use my Enail Couture nail primer, and I'm going to prime the underside of these tips, just like you would Après or Enail Couture. You're going to go ahead and dehydrate your nails, prime your nails, go ahead and apply a base coat, cure that for 30 seconds. I'm actually going to go in with my foil glue. It's like a peel off method. I'm going to put a thin coat of that on all of my nails, let that air dry. All right, going in with my DIY gel in clear. You're going to take the DIY gel and you're just going to put a little bit of that in the nail. Just enough to go from cuticle to free edge. May need a little bit more. Just go from one side to the other. Apply that to your nail. And I start about right here. And then I'll go down. Press it till it gets to the free edge. Just gonna hold that on there like so. And pop it under my light. So again, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the DIY gel, put it like this, pull it, go down, and then get to my free edge and cure. With the DIY gel, you don't really even have to hold it. You can just lay it on the nail like that. Especially if they're short like this, you can just put it where you want it and then go ahead and cure it. Once you have your nail tips applied, you're gonna go ahead and do a full 60-second cure on these. Okay, another little tip before I do a full cure, I like to go around and make sure I don't have any gel coming out. And if I do, just take my nippers and I clip it right off. Like sometimes I'll have a little bit of gel. And if you grab it before you fully cure it, usually it's soft enough where you can just get it off your nail, off of the side or the cuticle area before you cure it, making it super easy when you go to file. So I'm going to go ahead and just buff the surface shine, finish filing, do a full 60-second cure. We're going to come back and we're going to turn these nails into $80 nails. So give me 1 second. Dust those off. My Enail Couture base, you're going to apply that from cuticle to free edge and give it a 30-second cure. All right, guys, after your base is completely cured, now it's time to bling these babies out. Method Beauty sent me 2 of their polish collections. This one is their Diamond Gel Nail Polish Set 1, and this is Set 2. Each of them include a silver diamond gel. Absolutely gorgeous, especially under the sun. And then I believe it's Set 1 has the pink diamond gel, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous pink. And then one set has the purple, which is this one. Gorgeous. They're all freaking gorgeous. So definitely go check out iMethod Beauty. They have some really, really great stuff. I love their bottles. They have adorable unicorns, and of course they're pink. Who doesn't love pink? The diamond gel is a bit thicker. Okay, so it's a thick formula. So my right hand is going to be pink and my left hand will be silver. Okay, so that's that one there. I'm going to do 2 coats. So when you go to apply them, just make sure that you get a nice even coat. Both hands have 2 coats of the polish, fully cured. So I'm taking some big, like Kawaii style charms. Some of these are from Shein, some of them are from Enail Couture. So I think the little girls are from Shein. These little like disco balls are from Shein. The rest is Enail Couture. I'm gonna use my McCart rhinestone glue. Don't forget a top coat. I am gonna use my iMethod Beauty No Wipe top coat. But right now I'm just putting a dot of my rhinestone glue right at the cuticle, a charm, and lay it down. Flash cure it in place as I go. Make sure you don't get your other nails. These little disco balls have a flat bottom, so just set it down on the gel. Put it in place. It's got like a really pretty shimmer. Tiny itty bitty bear. Place him down. Flash cure his butt on there. Cure that. Flash cure it. It's pretty centered. Put the big heart on there like so. Now we're going to go ahead and top coat these real quick. I do normally like to top coat these because the shine will come off. So go ahead and apply your top coat, guys. Once you do that, go ahead and give it a 60-second cure. You do a full cure on everything. Go ahead and get some cuticle oil. I'm going to use my Madame Glam Blossom Nail Cuticle Oil Treatment. This was in their Christmas Advent Calendar. I'm just gonna apply it. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Here is a $5 set of nails turned into an $80 set of nails. Let me know what you guys think. And they're short, they're cute, they work great. For people that like really short nails, these are perfect. And you can get them for under $5. Literally $4.97 at Walmart. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? Do you like the right side? Do you like the left side? Don't forget, make sure you go check out I'm at the Beauty and Enail Couture for all of these fun little kawaii charms. And Shein also. Can't forget about them. They are thebomb.com. Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how gorgeous. I really love these diamond gels. They're so nice. Look at that. So what diamond gel was your favorite? Did you like the silver, the purple, or the pink? So let me know. Comment below. Have you guys ever tried the Kiss Acrylic Natural Clear Tip Nails? Let me know in the comment section if you have. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know down in the comment section below. Wishing all of you a very, very Merry Christmas. Sending you lots of love and light. And I'll see you on the next one. God bless. Bye.